What is the derivative of x raised to the x? How can we find the answer to that question? Well, we need to use something called logarithmic differentiation. And the first thing we should do is replace or set y equal to x raised to the x. That's the first thing you want to do. And then take the natural log of both sides. So ln y is equal to ln x raised to the x. Now, a property of logs allows you to take the exponent and move it to the front. So we now have the expression ln y is equal to x times ln x. And at this point, you need to use implicit differentiation. So differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. Now, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So the derivative of ln y is going to be 1 over y. But since we're differentiating with respect to x, it's going to be times dy over dx. On the right side, we need to use the product rule. And just to review, the derivative of u times v is going to be u prime v plus uv prime. So we need to differentiate the first part, which is x. You can call that u if you want. And v is ln x. So u prime, the derivative of x, is going to be 1 times v, which is ln x, plus uv prime. So u is x. V prime, the derivative of ln x, is going to be 1 over x. Now our next step is to multiply both sides by y. So on the left side, these will cancel. On the right side, we're going to have dy dx is equal to y times ln x, and x times 1 over x, that's 1. Now the last thing we need to do is replace y with something else. Recall in the beginning we set y equal to x raised to the x. So the final answer is going to be x raised to the x times ln x plus 1. So this is the derivative of x raised to the x. That's the answer.